Pre-K 131 friends. It's Olivia here, and I'm going to read you a bedtime story. This bedtime story, and also we have a little guest today. So this is Camel. He's a camel, and he's going to help us read the book with us. So he's going to help me read the book. So Camel's going to be our little friend today. Okay, so the book I will be reading is Good Night, Construction Site. Down the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. Looks like a very busy construction site. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. The sun is going down, ready to go to sleep. Working hard to help his team, Crane Truck raises one last beam. Those metal beams are very heavy, so you can't pick them up with your arms. You have to use crane, and that's the crane truck that lifts it up. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in a nice and tight, then cuddles up and says good night. Good night, Crane Truck, good night. I don't know if anybody of you noticed, but he has a little stuffed animal Luffy right there. I'm sure all of you sleep with that. Some Luffies. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now he's very weary and dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He looks very tired. That's how I feel right now because I want to go to sleep. It's bedtime and I'm really tired. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He cuts his engine, slows it, his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh, good night, cement mixer, good night. Looks like he's getting a little shower there with all the water spraying on him. And also he's sleeping with a little blanket. That would be very silly if you saw a cement mixer with a blanket on top of him. I would laugh. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now, dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels, it's getting late. He dims the light, then shuts his doors, and soon the engine slows to snores. Shh, good night, dump truck, good night. And also, this guy, since he's being very loud, he's saying, hey, pipe down. Pushing with his mighty blade, Bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground. He fills the air with thunderous sound. No one's as tough and strong as he. But no, now he's sleepy as can be. He must be very tired after all that hard work. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh, good night, Bulldozer, good night. I don't think any of you guys sleep in a bed like him. He sleeps in a dirt bed. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. That excavator is the same excavator as the front. And look, he looks like he's his little crib for the moon. That would be silly if you saw that. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh, good night, excavator. Good night. Looks very sleepy. These big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Looks like a very sleepy construction site. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is gone, turn off the light. Great work today, now shh, good night. That is the end. I hope you like the story, and I hope you have a great night. And Camel liked the story too. He thinks this story is a really good story, and I hope you liked it too. I really miss seeing you in the classroom in the morning, and it's really a big change, so I hope we can go back to school and have fun at school again. Bye!